What up, brothers and sisters? It's only Nate Cam today.
Just us two.
Where you at, Heck? All right, we're gonna keep it nice and short. No footage for the first run. Let's get that first run in. Let's go hit some jibs, bro.
Yeah, sure not.
Hey, first jump today for me? Send it, send it. Cheers. I'm out here with Nate. Cheers. Nathan over here got me Sandy, brah. To the baby boxes. It's bubbly. Hector, we wish you were here, brah.
Rest them knees.
Rest them knees. Skate skim surf season's upon us, brah. Robert, Sean, Jose, see you Sunday.
And maybe I should search for a smile. It'd be nice to talk about things without going back another mile. And with all of this empty space, I'll never fill the void again and find comfort in your place. Now, just hear me out. I don't know where we're headed. Talk about you with your wicked words. I've had it out, and that's why I felt this way. Standing outside of your parents' place, staring at the writing.
That's a wrap.
She said what? I didn't know she's so cool. Everything's better when she's around. Can I tell the parents go out of town? I fell in love with a girl at the rock show.
Yup, quick sesh. It's a wrap. Man, you treated that like the fucking gym, dude. That was dope.
In and out, baby.
Get in, get it done. Let's go. That was sick, man. I got pretty sandy today. If you saw that slam on that baby box, originally I hit it clean off camera.
So he says?
Oh, come on, bro. You didn't do me like that.
He did.
Hell yeah.
It was butter when he did it. But it wasn't recorded, so it never happened.
And then when I went for it, blah! Oh, man. Hector, we missed you on this one. I'm not sure if we said that earlier, but yeah. Pussy. That's it. Good sesh. Gratitude next time?
Yeah, boy.
Right on. See you back in the chair, bro.
Alright, dude. Try safe, bro.
Right on. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.